Hey, welcome to the Necio class. And here today, we're going to show you how you change your lot size. So, you go to whatever currency you want to buy. Boom. Right? You click it. New order. Here in the new order, can I draw? Oh, yeah, I can draw. Here in the new order, look, that's the lot size we're using right now, right? A 1.00 lot size. If I click this, it's going to bring it down 10 points. So you want to see? Let me see how to change this shit back. Okay, see? It brought it down to now a 0.90 lot size. If I hit this one, it's going to bring it up 10. If I hit this one, it's going to move it up 0.1. And if I move this one, click that one, is going to bring it down a 0.1. So see, 90. There we go, see? So that's the lot size right there. Right now, we're using a 1 point lot size. You're supposed to use the lot size depending on the money you have, like money risk management. So you're supposed to do like a 3% of whatever account, like the money you have. But right now, since we in demo, we use a 1.0 lot size. But in my real money, I'm using this right now. Because I made that 80 bucks, but I'm trying to catch momentum and I'm going to start doing more trades. So I don't want to lose money. So if I do, I don't lose that much. So I'm going to put more trades. So I'm going to start, with this. 1.0 lot size. But since you are on demo, you could use a 1.00 lot size.